एक शेर अर्ज करना चाहूंगी।
इरशाद।
अब हवाएं ही करेंगी रोशनी का फैसला, अब हवाएं ही करेंगी रोशनी का फैसला, जिस दिए में जान होगी वो दिया रह जाएगा।
क्या बात है। So बहनों और भाइयों, दिल थाम के बैठिए। We would now like to welcome our lady powerhouses, Ms. Anisha Shekhar and Shreya Sanyal from SRF Foundation team to introduce us to our CSR wing, SRF Foundation, formerly known as Society for Education and Welfare, which was established in 1982.
Thank you so much for the lovely introduction, Gati and Aarti.
Namaste, ladies and gentlemen. I am Anisha.
And I'm Shreya.
And we are here to represent SRF Foundation, giving special attention to improve the education standards of rural India. The foundation is working in 269 schools spread across 9 states and has positively impacted the lives of 80,000 students. With our vocational skills program, 6,000 youth have been empowered to be employed or become entrepreneurs, thus leading India's Make in India drive.
All this has been possible with the support of our dynamic and committed teams both at field office and our head offices. This would not have been possible without the hard work which is done by our fellow employees at SRF Limited, who strive every day, due to which we are able to give back to the society. Adding a new feather to our cap, SRF Foundation has recently launched a new school called SRF Vidyalaya in Gurgaon. We seek all your best wishes for the school to be a great success in helping the ones in need and empowering them for a better future.
This day is about appreciating and recognizing the hard work done by all of us and to spread the message of gratitude and goodwill at the workplace on an annual basis. The Protsahan Awards honor all the individuals who have taken that extra step and creating a benchmark for others in their work area. Our best wishes go out to all the recipients.
Today we are awarding HO members of the foundation, and the field team members will be awarded next week in their respective locations.
So without further ado, let's begin the foundation award ceremony virtually.
The first award category is for the best debutant.
And the award goes to Mr. Anil Kumar. An active and friendly person, Anil has taken ownership of his responsibilities and has aligned himself to the foundation's ethos in a short spell of time. Being dedicated to his goals, he worked with commitment and sincerity. His contribution has been meaningful in streamlining the database, and his efforts in offering solutions have been visible and very impactful. Congratulations, Anil. The next award for today is the Extra Miler Award.
And the award goes to Ms. Kusum Rahi. Diligent and hardworking, Kusum takes initiative and works competently to complete all of her responsibilities. An asset to her team, she is helpful and cooperative towards all the members. She has aligned herself to the foundation's culture and spontaneously goes that extra mile to reach the new goals. Congratulations, Kusum. The next award category is the Best Unsung Hero.
And the award goes to Mr. Narendra Singh, a diligent worker who strives ahead with dedication. Narendra has taken his responsibilities with sincerity. A calm and organized person, he manages to work under pressure with ease. Congratulations, Narendra. Let's move on to the next category, which is the Best Boy Program Support.
And the award goes to, oh my God, it's a tie, my co-host, Ms. Anisha Shekhar and Mr. Probir Mondal. Anisha is proactive, professionally empathetic, and a dedicated team player. She is a quick learner and takes ownership of the responsibilities delegated to her. She adds valuable support to the team and helps in achieving the goals and objectives of the program. Congratulations, Anisha.
Thank you, Shreya. I very proudly share this award with my very worthy colleague Probir. Probir has an intuitive ability to keep a multitask angle perspective on everything. Probir has proven to be a valued member of his team, and his skills to think out of the box and follow systems and processes precisely won him appreciation as a keen and diligent worker. Congratulations, Probir.
Congratulations to both of you. Moving on to the next category, the Best Employee Award.
And the award goes to Mr. Bata Krishna Rotre. Having a storehouse of experiences and expertise, Bata Rotre is a sincere and dependable member of the foundation. He is a team player and gives his unstinting support to all programs. Well known for his negotiation skills, he has ensured cost-effective solutions for all programs under the Foundation's banner. His support in procurement of equipment and creating an effective accounting system has resulted in timely execution of all the program needs. Congratulations, Bata ji. The next award is for the Best CSR Champion. Across all plant locations of SRF Limited, there are dedicated CSR councils that make sure the CSR activities are implemented smoothly at their respective locations. Each council is headed by a CSR champion who makes sure that all the activities are completed on a timely basis by constantly motivating the CSR council members.
And the award goes to Mr. R. Nagaraj from the Gumdi Pumdi plant. Mr. Nagaraj has displayed excellent leadership engagement strategies. He dedicatedly drives the CSR Council members under the mantra of individual social responsibility and has efficiently taken ownership to find solutions along with team building actions. Congratulations, Mr. Nagaraj.
Last but not the least, the final award under the Foundation Awards is for the best team.
And the award goes to the academics team. And the team members are Mr. Rakesh, Ms. Bhagyalakshmi, Ms. Kusum Rahi, Ms. Pragati, Mr. Dinesh, and Ms. Tisha. This highly focused and motivated team has tirelessly worked together to meet all their goals and objectives. Dedicated and committed to their roles and responsibilities spread across multi-locations, they efficiently managed and institutionalized processes towards achieving successful and measurable outcomes. Congratulations to the academics team.
With this, we come to an end to the Foundation Awards ceremony. Congratulations to all the winners and everyone who has supported them in achieving this today. Thank you all. Stay safe, stay healthy.
With this, we would like to call upon Gati and Aarti to further take the ceremony forward. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anisha, and thank you, Shreya, and congratulations to the winners.